Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Balaji. We have an interesting question again today, and the question says count the number of occurrences of the word the in the following sentence. The sentence is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Before we proceed into this problem, a similar variant of this problem, an easier one, is frequently asked in interviews. And what would that be? So the question goes count the number of words in a given sentence. The approach we use there is the same approach we use here. So let's start solving that first and then we'll come back to this question. So I have the sentence here. And how do we solve this? Count the number of words in a sentence. So this is pretty easy. There's no inbuilt function for this. So we'll have to work on a logic. And the logic says count the number of spaces, we'll find the number of words. And how do you count the number of spaces? This is how we do it. So first, get the length of the string. This essentially gives the number of characters that are present in this entire phrase. Now, let me get the same word, sorry, the same sentence, remove all the spaces. Alright, we removed all the spaces. Now, check for the length of the string. So it's 35. So all the spaces that we removed is the decrease caused in the length of the string. Now, take the difference between them, it's 8. This 8 is essentially the number of spaces in the string, and the number of words essentially would be the number of spaces plus 1. That would be 8 plus 1 here, that's 9. So can we count the number of words in this phrase? The quick brown fox 4 jumps over the lazy dog 5. 4 plus 5, that's 9. We have number of words, that's 9. Let's write a query for this and let's see how this gets done in SQL. Alright, so we have a few sample sentences. Right, let's start writing a query to find number of words in a sentence. So like the logic we just used, let's write down the columns, that is the ID, text, length function, and text. What does it give? It says 43 characters in this sentence. Now let us subtract another function of text where we have removed the spaces. Length, replace, text is the column name. What is it that you want to replace? You want to replace a space with nothing. So what's going to happen? It's going to find all the spaces. You're going to replace the space with the other replaceable text, replaceable entity here, that is nothing. So let's run this. Alright, so it says 8 spaces. So total length of the string with space and total length of the string without space. I'll give this an alias as string. So each of these phrases have 8 spaces, but we need total number of words. So I would have to add 1 to this. Alright, this is number of words in a sentence. But what is the initial question that we had? Count the number of the in the sentence, the occurrence of the word the. So let's remove this, and the same is a solution, but replace this with the. So let's count how many occurrences of the are there in the sentence. 1, 2, 2 in the first one, 1, 2, 2 in the second one, 1 in the third one. So let's run this. So what do we see here? 3, 6 and 6. Do you see a pattern? It's giving us a wrong answer and it's giving a pattern. So if you see here, the word the is replaced by one character or nothing actually. So three characters are missing and it's replaced by nothing. And therefore there are three characters missing for the word the. This the is not getting calculated because there's a capital T H N E, there's a small t H N E. It's case sensitive. So what do we do here? We are going to divide the entire thing by 3 because each word the is of 3 characters. So we'll have to divide by 3 and says 1, 2 and 2. It's counting the 1 occurrence of the here, 1 occurrence here and 1 occurrence here. But why is it 2 here? Because there are another word with THE and followed by N. It's a different word but it has the same characters and thus it's showing up. So one we'll have to sort out the case sensitive part of it. Second, we'll have to sort out this place where if the word is within another word, we'll have to not take them into consideration. Let's solve the first one. So the capital THE, let's do one thing. Let's turn everything into lower caps and then replace it. So I'll use a lower function here. So this is going to turn the entire sentence into lower caps and then replace this the with none character. So right now it's taking into consideration both the occurrences of the word the, like 2 here, 2 here, and it still says 2 in the last one. So how do we work on this? So I have an idea. We're going to add a space which indicates that it's a separate word which is followed by a space and preceded by a space and divided by 5. So if you see here, this is preceded by a space but it's not followed by a space and therefore this will not get replaced. So let me run this. 1, 2 and 1. But what happened here? This one here is not preceded by a space and that's the reason it's not taken into consideration. So let's remove the preceding space and add 4. So it's 2, 2 and 1. So this is how you solve it. And if it's any other word, you do not have to count the number of letters in the word. Let's just count the number of letters in this word using the function length of the space. So it's going to replace the and space with nothing and divide by the and space. This is 4 characters, this is 4 characters, and therefore you're going to get the total number of occurrences of this word. Okay, what happened? Okay, this is length. Alright. So it's 2, 2 and 1. So this is how you solve this problem. A very frequently asked problem. If you have any more questions, do ask in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And also, I've launched a new website of mine. It's going to be a huge thing on analytics. Do visit the website and put down your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.